Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Guardian Rainbow, and I told you guys that next video we'd probably be doing a quest with Maya, but I actually changed my mind because there was the last season episode of Star Stable, and they basically gave us 3 new codes, and yeah, there's this YouTuber called Fierce Jacqueline, and I wanted you guys to see the codes, and she already had them, so yeah. So it's ST4RST4BL3N3WS.
WS for LP.
So the next one is OP4LP13. And they actually released a new circus, and we will be checking that out too.
4R.
And the next one is POT4TOH34RT. So those were codes. And also when you log into Star Stable, there's a screen with the tip of the day. That also changed now. There are 2 horse riders on the beach. So, okay. A t-shirt. Little shoes. And pants. So, we are quickly going to ride over to the circus. It's actually in Neilmer's Highland, and I'm so sorry guys, you don't have to be a Star Rider for this, and I'm so sorry, but I did not know that the circus was there, because I knew there was a circus, and when I kept riding by, there wasn't, I didn't see a circus, so I was pretty confused, but you know, apparently there is. So all you have to do is finish the quest, Where's Loretta? So you obviously don't have to be a Star Rider. Just jump over this fence. That was such a fail. Yeah, let's get this. Oh, okay. Oh. Well, this sure looks interesting. Is there any quest for us? Oh, yes, there is. Yadras. Hello, Yadras. Why can we not talk to you? Hello? Trying to talk to you. Hello? People? Trying to talk to you. Stop being so mean. Oh my god. Okay. I can literally not. Why is this not working? And I have a feeling there's a circus that's supposed to be here. Just a feeling. What the heck? Dude, why? What the hell? Do I need to get off of here? Many people are getting off, so maybe. Oh. Let's not run into the wagon. Hello? Person! Oh my god. They're very mean. Oh, now. Don't. Okay, do you guys know something about this? Because for some reason it won't work. I will be back on that probably. And here are the new clothes. Let's just options, sense to camera layer. Okay, now we can see the boots. And this is the t-shirt. Oh my god, I love purple and I love this galaxy theme. It is. This shirt is really cool, but do you know what would make it cooler? Wearing it. Okay, it's called the Star Stable News jeans top. This is the Star Stable News jean pants. Outfit on. Those look so cute because I love ripped jeans, and the belt. That belt is so cute. Now the shoes. This is like a city outfit. This is really cool. Those Converse are really cool. Oh wait, no, those are my shoes. This is Star Stable News sneakers, and these don't give you anything. so like never get anything from them. Like they're just decoration. Why is this not working? And why did I just get off? Guardian Rainbow. Oh my god, I can't find him. Okay, well, plan B, we will be helping Maya today. So let's just get over there. Pick up. Okay. Maya, you have a quest for us that we have been holding back for a little while now. Sorry about that. The riderless horse or an Olympic rider? Okay. Well, I did an Olympic rider. Hi, Emma. Have you heard? Oh, wow. It's so exciting. Reed Kessler is here in Jorvik. Can you believe it? Reed Kessler is here. I don't know who that is. Like, I'm sorry, Maya. Right now, she's training in the riding arena down below the vineyard, so I don't think I'll get a chance to meet her. She's my idol. Emma, do you think you might be able to go there and get an autograph from Reed Kessler for me? Please? Yes, you'll do it? Thank you. Sure. Maya also has another quest for us, but we will leave that for later. Today we will just be focusing on meeting the famous rider, Olympic rider. Okay. Okay. So, almost there. Wilmer's Highland. I'm actually gonna check on starstable.com, like, what's up with that circus? Like, because the quest line for me isn't actually working at all, so kind of a problem. It ruined the whole point, and they said new circus, but I don't see a circus. So we kind of got a problem. And of course, I am going the exact wrong place. Well, we are going to... So sorry about this, guys. But she said Silverglade Village. And in the next video, we will be running some races, and we will be running some races. Yes. And we will be seeing if we can fix this circus thing, because it's kind of bothering me. So, let's go I was about to say Apple Guardian. I mean Guardian Rainbow, I'm sorry, boy. Don't give me that look. There's actually a way funner way to go. You follow this path, but like it goes through the mountains and all. It's really cool. See, what's up with this tree? Whoa, what is that? What is it? What is that? That's in the Golden Hills, I believe. And I'm really sorry. I know we were supposed to help Ed Field today, but you know, I think that's pretty long quest. So, because I think it's part of the quest line, and that could take us like more than all of this. Is she a dressage or a show jumper? Show jumper, yes! I love show jumper. Wait, no, that's not Reed Kessler. That is, but we already got a t-shirt from her a few days ago. I mean, a while ago. Hi there. You have some really great riding competitions here in Jorvik. Do you compete? You do? Cool. No. An autograph? Sure, of course. Who is it for? Maya. Okay. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Here you go. I hope Maya likes it. Tell her I say hey. I said hey. See you soon. Okay, we're just gonna coffee pick up. Maya, we have an autograph for you. Reed Kessler. It's nice because Reed Kessler or some famous people are really like, whoa, what was that? What was that? Leia, you have to explain yourself. Oh, okay. She's kind of starting to creep me out. Anyway, because some of these famous people are really snobby, but like, she seems nice. Hi, Emma. You got an autograph? Oh my gosh. An autograph from Reed Kessler? Thank you. You're the best, Emma. I'm going to put this up on my wall. Okay, well, we will be leaving. Well, we will actually be quickly running a race. Because Guardian Rainbow is actually out of Royal Beauty, Midnight, and Midnight Melody. But he's the like least leveled up. So yeah. So you're back and want to try again? Let's go then. Let's go. Okay. Let's go, Guardian Rainbow. Oh my god, how could I mix this up? I need to be wearing the right gear. Like, come on. I'm very, very sorry. Come on, I need a good t-shirt. Okay. Sorry, Guardian Rainbow. I'm sorry about that, boy. Rookie mistake. Did I get that? Yeah, okay. Sometimes with that bush you can't really tell. So. Well, the Moreland Championship in 45 minutes. That's good. I kind of got distracted by that. The stupid thing is that the Golden Hills Championship and the Moreland Championship are at the same time. But I personally always run the Moreland Championship, firstly because I didn't unlock Golden Hills. And secondly, because the Moreland Championship is much easier. Because, like, it's the only one that the people who aren't Star Riders can ride, and the Fort Pinto one. And by the way, some people think jumping is faster. I'm not sure if that's true. And when you're in a race and those last two flags, if there isn't a jump, sometimes you can accidentally jump above the green thing and then you have to turn around and go back on the flag again. What you can also do is if there's a flag like a centimeter behind you, you just have to go with your horse backwards and it'll count it as a point. Like, it won't be an error. Well done, Emma. Okay, so that'll be it for the day, guys. And next time, I really hope that we can fix that problem with the circus. So, see you guys there. Bye.